What's going on, y'all? Out here trying to get on these fish. Is out here good Rudee. Everybody out here acting up for the Memorial Day weekend. A little Rudee tour, the rocket. A little rough out here, but that's all right. We ready for the race. We trying to get on board, see what's going on. A whole lot going on out here today. Justin, get us some croakers. Oh, he just went over there to get out the way. You bowled up that fast? Or you stuck? I'm about to say, come on, dog. That boy working that thing, ain't it? That boy working that thing, ain't it? That what you call the old man in the sea, huh? Come on now. Oh, what's going on here? Ooh-wee! Yes, sir. They done told you. That's a bluefish, baby. Get the net, get the net. That's a man there, boy. I told you, Johnny Bobby gonna get on these. He digging on me, y'all. Get out that trolling motor, bro. Ah, sit down. Oh, that's why I got this set. Oh, don't scare him. It's a man there. Oh, he almost took my little pole out of my hand. Hold on, JB. Let him run his little booty out. He ain't getting off there. That's a trouble hook in his butt. Goddamn Johnny Bobby, y'all. Woo-wee! Big old waves out here today, y'all. Look at this. They coming. I see it coming. Woo-wee! You gonna see how she go. Get up, girl. Oh. Get up, girl. The seat held on. We might need to move around, huh, dog? My box closed down there. Huh? Well, they say that's a warning shot, ain't it? They say, hey, folks, might be time to go.
Let's go to the end.
You got faith in the seat now?
You got that on camera?
Yeah.
You did?
Hey, and I was like, this seat better make it, man. Ain't nothing, that was coming. Hold on, let me pick the trolling boat up. Well, folks, you see Spotlock stayed on deck, but the boat took a little water. But it'll go out, it's self-bailing. Woo! Gonna see how. Get up, girl. Get up, girl.